Hello, dear learners. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to begin a new lesson. But before we move on to the lesson, children, tell me, do you have siblings at home? To answer this question, you must know the meaning of sibling. So, sibling means your brother or sister having common parents. So, children, do you have a little brother or a little sister at home? If you have, what kind of relationship do you share with them? This story that we are going to read today is about a brother and his little sister. The brother finds his sister childish and also silly at times. Let's begin reading from the book. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. She does not know the difference between the lights in the streets and the bright stars. When we play with pebbles, she thinks they are real food. She even tries to put them in her mouth. When I open a book before her and ask her to learn her ABC, she tears the pages with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. This is your baby's way of doing her lessons. So here you can see that the brother seems to be worried about his sister. He is actually telling the mother that the little baby seems foolish. She seems silly and she seems very childlike. Why? Because she does not know the difference between the street lights and the bright stars. She does not know the difference between small stones, pebbles, and food because she puts everything in her mouth. Children, have you ever seen a small baby playing? Yes, that's how little children are. Whatever they have in hand, they'll put it in their mouth. And this doesn't make them foolish. They are definitely childish. They are childlike because they do not know what the real world is about. So, when the brother opens his book before her and asks her to learn her ABCs, the alphabets, she tears the pages with her hand and she is happy after doing that. So here you will see that the brother is concerned about his little sister. The brother wonders actually why doesn't his sister know these basic things? But he is also a child. He doesn't know how children gradually learn things. So this is how the siblings share a sweet relationship. Let's quickly go over the difficult words from this page. Silly means having or showing a lack of sense, or you may also say foolish. Childish is childlike. Pebbles are small stones, and roars is a loud cry. Here in this lesson, roars with joy means shouts with joy. Let's continue reading from the book. When I shake my head at her in anger and scold her or call her naughty, she laughs and thinks it great fun. Everybody knows that father is away, but sometimes I call out, "Father," playfully. She looks quickly about her in excitement and thinks that father is near. Sometimes I hold a class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster and that she better not make any noise. Only then she keeps quiet. I insist that she should call me Dada. Your baby wants to catch the moon. She is really funny. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. So the brother, while talking to their mother, is sharing the experiences that he has with his little sister. So the brother is telling that when he shakes his head in anger, or scolds her, or calls her naughty, she laughs. Why does she laugh? Because she is a little girl. She doesn't understand the seriousness of the thing. Everyone knows that father is away, and sometimes when he playfully calls father, the little sister gets excited. She looks around, actually looking for father. The girl is too young. She's too small, too innocent to understand these things in real. So sometimes the brother also holds a class with the donkeys that the washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. He warns her, he pretends to be the schoolmaster, and that she should not make noise, and only then the little girl keeps quiet. So the little girl is scared of the schoolmaster, and her brother's trick of pretending to be a schoolmaster works well. And then he wants his little sister to call him Dada. So the brother tells the mother that her baby wants to catch the moon. She's really funny. Tell me, children, is it possible to catch the moon? No, it is not. Only in stories. And you realize this only when you grow up, not as a child. So, because the baby is too young, she doesn't know this. So, the brother again tells the mother that her little girl is silly and she is very childish. And this sweet lesson of a brother and a sister is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Let's look at the meaning of the difficult words, children. Shake, move up and down or from side to side. Scold is to speak to someone angrily. Playfully is in a light-hearted manner. Excitement, a feeling of great enthusiasm. Warn is to inform someone in advance of a possible danger. Schoolmaster is a teacher. Insist, demand something forcefully. Washerman is a man who washes clothes for a living. You can also call him a laundryman. And dirty is something that is not clean. Isn't this a sweet story, children? Yes, it is. I have thoroughly enjoyed reading the lesson, and I hope you all have enjoyed it too. I'll see you in the next class, children. Until then, take good care of yourself. Keep learning. Bye bye.